Hey editor, ever wonder why some editors get stuck in the $200 grind while a tiny circle quietly earns 10K a month editing for top creators? I used to be in that grind, editing on a cheap Walmart desk, drowning in revision notes longer than the freaking script itself. My clients panicked over every detail, and I felt like no matter how hard I worked, I'd never break out. But everything changed the day a client told me, for the first time, I can watch my own video without anxiety. That's when I realized clients aren't just buying editing, they're buying peace. Here's what I learned and what nobody tells you. The clients who pay the least demand the most. The clients who pay the most trust you the most and want you to take the lead. Top creators are desperate for editors who get it. Once they find one, they never let go. But to get there, you need more than technical skills. You need the right systems, the right mindset, and the ability to build trust fast. So here's a quick win. My number one revision rule. If you want to instantly improve your client relationships and slash your revision time, start using this today. The timestamps rule. Require all revision notes from your clients to be sent as clear timestamp bullet points. No long paragraphs, no guessing, and no back and forth confusion. Here's why it works. You save hours on revisions, clients feel heard and see you as a pro, and you eliminate miscommunication and keep projects moving fast. I implemented this one rule and it cut my revision time in half while making clients happier. If you want to stop being micromanaged and start being trusted, land high-paying, low-stress clients who value your expertise, and build a real sustainable editing business that pays you what you're worth, then you need to stop thinking like a commodity and start thinking like an elite editor. I've put everything I learned from over 8 years of editing into the Elite Editor Academy. And it's not just about effects or retention tricks. It's the exact system I used to go from $200 edits to $146,000 a year without burning out, chasing clients, or sacrificing my creativity. One of our recent students, Sergio, said, I've been editing for 10 years, but I was stuck charging $50 to $100 for a long-form video, even with all my experience. And I hesitated to join because of the investment, but Josh's system changed everything. Now I charge $400 per video on monthly retainers and made my investment back in just 3 months. The structure and positioning inside the academy made all the difference. Now, when you enroll, you get my Elite Client Blueprint, which is your roadmap to 10K a month as an editor. This guide breaks down what to focus on at every income tier, the strategies that actually work, and the mistakes that keep most editors stuck. So if you're ready to break out of the $200 trap and join the circle of editors top creators quietly recommend, then go ahead and join Elite Editor Academy right now. But I am curious, what's stopping you from charging what you're worth? Hit reply on the email. I read every message. Y'all have a good one.